that one. We've sat there and watched that thing bubble.
Pushing out. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, there's people scramble over there.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling you.
Oh, they're getting wet.
You guys get wet here too, by the way.
Oh my goodness. And there's another one over there too. Holy moly. Which way's the wind blowing?
I think it's new phone.
Ooh, it's really getting after it now.
I was out doing Old Faithful.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm gonna get a new phone for Yellowstone.
Yeah.
Day before I came.
Now we'll have to scroll through our pictures and remember which one that one was. Beehive. Was that Beehive? I think it was.
Be great if the other one starts going on now.
I know exactly.
I'm pretty sure that was a Beehive. So, yeah.
That's pretty neat.
I hope that don't mean the cold air is fixing to go.
Well, I figured it was going to go
Get
because
that
they were
fire.
there. They must have known something. Probably a bunch of geologists or something.
It's pretty impressive.
Right, it's kind of crazy. Oh wow, look at it, it's really spraying now. Really getting wet.
Yeah, did you film that? Huh?
You're going to do a video, Gal?
That's pretty impressive. Yeah, it's Beehive. I told you. There's some noise over there. Yeah. Sound like a bunch of bees going